Welcome to your homemade herbal shampoo recipe. First, gather 1 cup of liquid Castile soap. This gentle soap serves as a natural base. Next, brew your herbal tea using beneficial herbs. 1 cup of this herbal infusion will enhance your shampoo. Coconut oil is the next ingredient, adding 1 tablespoon. This oil boosts moisture and gives your hair a beautiful shine. For a fragrant touch, add 10 to 15 drops of essential oils. Choose oils based on your preferred scent or hair benefits. Now, mix all ingredients in a bowl or container. Stir them well until fully combined for a consistent texture. Transfer the mixture into a bottle for easy use. This homemade shampoo nourishes and cleanses your hair effectively. It is free from harsh chemicals and additives. Enjoy the fresh, natural scent and feel of your hair. Try this recipe for a simple and effective hair care solution.